Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today is an unbagging and unwrapping of my, I would probably say this is my first Marshalls video. I hardly go to Marshalls because usually the ones that I go to, they don't have a big selection, but this was a different location I was able to go to. And not sure if I'm going to add the shop with me video to this particular unwrapping or if I'll post it separately. But this is a Patricia Nash unwrapping. This was my find at Marshall's. And I love green and Patricia Nash. I think it is so rich and pretty. Make sure that I'm not cutting it off. And it was on, I guess it was considered clearance, but I was able to get some additional off. This is the back pocket that does have a button closure for it. And this is a crossbody. Let's try to take this off. Well, it requires scissors. So, this was the only one that I saw. In the video, you will see, I believe they had another, it wasn't a crossbody, it was like a double strap, longer shoulder bag that hung down further than the normal shoulder bag would. But this is the green, y'all, a close-up of it with the gold hardware. And I'm going to look at the tag to see if it has the name. I think it just says green. But let's see. Yeah, it just says green. So retail for it is $169. That's the name of the silhouette, I believe. And it was originally, Marshalls originally had it for $69.99. It was on clearance for like, I think it said $63. And then when I asked them about the scratches, it went down from $63 to $57. So they took $6 off, added this tag on top of it, and wrote as is on the tag. Which I didn't know that was their whole process. But okay. And let me take this off. Ooh, I don't want to cut or scratch anything. Maybe it'll come off without me having to cut it. And maybe not. Let's try this way. That did the trick. Okay. So strong magnetic closure there. Inside, they have it stuffed with paper. Oh, it has card slots inside. I did not expect that. So it does have 1, 2, 3 card slots inside. Not sure if you all can see that. And it has the Patricia Nash logo and signature on the on the front of the last card slot. I hope you all can see that. That's really pretty. And then it has the signature brown suede-like interior. Know if I want to stuff that back or what, but that is pretty. Let's look at the inside. It does come with the Patricia Nash dust bag. This is a pretty good size bag. For it to be a crossbody, it's not a big purse, but the interior looks like it could be considered as a medium size carry, I would say. So it has the Patricia Nash leather logo patch there. Back pocket, registration card, color green. And then on the front side, I have some thread in there. It has the bigger flip pocket and the smaller. And it looks like the top kind of has like a little stretch to it. So that's the interior. And I am going to see if my accessories that I have sitting here matches this. And actually, I'm going to see if it fits, how it fits inside as well. So I still have beside me my large zip around wristlet. Dooney & Bourke Plumes blue wristlet. I think that can go. It's definitely going to pull that green out of there. And it fits in there fine. And do I still have my cosmetics case? I do. I still have my wristlet as well, so I can try both. So that will fit in there also. I don't think the cosmetics case would fit in here, but let's try. Anyway, probably have to put it in first. I don't think the cosmetics case and the large wristlet would fit. So I would have to put this in the small wallet in there. And then it still has room over here for additional. And I still have the outside pocket and the front flap pocket as well. So another handbag that these accessories match well with. I am not mad at that. Oh, and the scratches that I pointed out to get the additional percentage off. It's like, I don't know if it's going to come up. It's really small, like scratches along here. And I think that was it. It was at least $6 worth of scratches, so it all counts. But I really like this color and the accessories with it. So overall, I am happy with my purchase. And I'm glad to add a Patricia Nash crossbody bag in green to my collection. And this is it, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. I hope you all like this color and silhouette. and how the accessories go with it as well. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope that you are enjoying Accessory August. And I will see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful day.